get the final product, the delicious Neapolitan pizza. Eric's gonna try it now. What do you think, Eric?
And he's been to Naples recently.
And I don't lie.
So he knows.
Beautiful.
Yes, let's eat.
Okay, done.
Now our toppings are here. We have sliced sausage. We're gonna use the Italian mozzarella, but we got some of the shredded mozzarella. We have some fried eggplant and pepperoni and some hot chili peppers. We like them hot in this family.
Okay. Mr. How do you make the Sure. Good.
This is two large cans of Italian peeled tomatoes.
People get overcomplicated with tomato sauce, especially pizza sauce. It's very simple. You just get your plum tomatoes, little salt, little pepper, and we use basil. Some people put oregano for American style pizza, but in Italy, they do not put oregano in.
I put
okay?
oregano.
So,
I put oregano. I always do it when we make the big
that's fine.
pizzas.
We make the
pizza
big
you always
American
make
style
it,
pizza,
yeah.
but in Italy, they don't. The only pie in Italy they put oregano on is the marinara pizza. Okay, which I usually serve with a little anchovy, these tomatoes.
With a little Elige.
And yeah.
What about garlic?
Huh?
I use garlic too.
Go
Now
parla.
we're making Neapolitan
Go
pizza.
parla.
Now I'm going to generously give it some salt. Very important. We put the fresh pepper.
And you crush it with this instrument? You don't pass
That's
it.
the potato smasher.
You use a potato smasher, Uncle Ant?
Yeah.
Show
Oh,
it
yeah, I
to
use
them.
my hands.
Show it to them. Yeah, we're gonna do it right now. You wanna do the first one?
What about people that use it from the jar, or they cook it on the side? Do you need to do that?
Well, no. This is the best way. It's the easiest
This
way.
is
There's
it.
nothing to do. All right. This is for your Neapolitan pizza. If I went to the pizzeria and bought a regular 18-inch pie, then in that tomato, I would put garlic, a little oregano, salt, pepper, and oil.
But this is Neapolitan style.
But you can always add, after you put this on a pie, if you like the oregano, you can sprinkle oregano.
Wait, let me clean this so you can line it up.
Do you throw some olive oil on it too?
I put a hair on the inside, but then we olive oil on
Joseph's
top of
doing
the
this
pizza.
one.
When I
Joe's
make
coming
it
in.
dough,
Go, Joe.
yeah, I usually try to give it an edge, so that's what I've done. Now, Joe, if you want to just press in the middle there.
Harder. Flat with your
Yeah.
hands.
That's it. Good
Good job,
All
Poppy.
around. Get it flat
job.
all around. Now twist it. You do this side.
Good work.
Good job.
Blood in this family with generations of pizza makers.
How long did your brother run the pizzeria for?
How many years?
Very nice.
40 years.
And Daddy, how many years, Daddy?
Good job.
60 years total.
60 years
Good
total.
job.
So you want to be able to work the dough, so you want to have a generous amount of flour, okay? So if you see what I'm doing here, I'm keeping an edge on it,
Why is the flour important?
so it doesn't stick to the
He's got a
marble.
really good voice in his smooth voice and his voice.
Okay, and if you got enough flour, you can start spreading it like this.
Look at that. Look at those hands.
Oh!
The hands work, all right? This is unbelievable.
Oh!
Give it a throw. Give it a
This is
throw.
an art.
Oh!
Body eye. Throw it.
Okay, I gotta put it on, right?
We have all our toppings. Let me get all our toppings.
Oh!
Throw it. Throw it. Throw it.
I will once I get the pizza peels.
No, we'll make them little pieces.
Flour on your pizza peel so that the pie does not stick and
No
you
basil on
end
Joe's
up jiggling
pizza.
and putting everything in the oven. Okay, let me make this pie first so everyone sees exactly how it's supposed to get done.
Margherita.
Then we can do whatever you want.
The classic Neapolitan.
We're
making a plain spaghetti. He's a little bit of a show. But he knows his stuff.
Look at Sophia. She's covered in flour.
Cute!
Wow, look at that. Perfection. How does that
big.
dough feel?
That's
It's
it.
my friend's dough. How does that dough feel? It's my friend's dough.
Perfect. A big pie.
Wow, what a
All
dance.
right, Joey's getting the first one. He doesn't want any basil.
Okay, you do not want to keep it on the peel too long because if you keep it on too long, it is going to stick. So we're making a little margarita here.
Oh!
Isn't it fun to cook with this family? We have a ball.
Take the pizza
We
up to
also have a
the
better time
take
eating
the
it.
sauce up to the edge of the pizza.
Take the sauce off to the edge of the pizza.
Okay, margarita.
Ma, you don't grate the parmesan. Put
It's
that
in the,
on.
it's in the oven.
Yes, I need a parmigiana grattugiato, please.
What's that?
Man, you put Parmesan grattugiata on
And a
it.
little sprinkle. You could also drizzle a little
Okay,
olive
my
oil.
sister's going to give you the history of margarita pizza when she gets a moment and
So
explain
this is a
exactly what it is.
fantastic story.
Models what they put on
Of
pizza
Italy
anyway.
was called margarita.
Do you have oil, Uncle
She visited Naples, and the Neapolitan people wanted to do something in Harana, and Naples made pizza. So they made the pizza in 3 colors. The colors of the Italian flag. Red, white, and green, which is the basil.
Yay!
Oh!
La pizza margherita.
Andiamo!
Oh, bring it, go. Bring it.
Is that a la story from Magellan?
It's gonna come at pizza.
You cooked that, right? You got an eye on that, right?
Yeah.
Do you have another one of these?
No. Hey. What's this for?
Be careful. Should it be inside, Uncle Ed?
It depends. So that oven cooks at around 800 degrees. So, but the problem is that this flour is the American flour. It's not the 00 flour. It burns a little bit. So once we put it in, we lower it a few degrees.
What's your brother? Do you think he's jealous of your TikTok success?
No, he has his own qualities. He's a great chef, and we
not
all
put that on.
we all give our input. So
Or are
that
you worried
everything
about
is
him taking
delicious.
your spot?
Johnny,
at all.
stop.
Hi, yes, just want to show you the completed little mini margarita pizza. And we're gonna cut it.
Did you show? Do you
Did
want
you
to do
try
an
Uncle
eggplant?
Joe's?
Let's do an eggplant.
Hold on. Anthony!
Yeah.
Come here.
Uncle Ed?
You do it. Do it.
Uncle
I
Ed?
don't want to do it. I did one with the kids. You do it.
I put it well.
No, he has to do this. He has to do this.
Good job, Mama.
Beautiful.
Whoa.
Wanna do it? He's the
Bon appetit.
Good. Let him do that one. Mullins on next?
Here.
Here's
Go.
the final product, the delicious Neapolitan pizza. Eric's going to
Eric,
try
you
it now. What do you
taste-
think, Eric?
And he's been to Naples recently.
And I don't lie.
And they don't lie. He doesn't lie.
So
That's
he
not-
knows. Whoa.
Oh, he's struggling.
That's not what it's not what it's
Beautiful.
Yes, let's eat.
Okay, done.